Hello guys, what's up? For today's video, I'm going to show you my gift number 2. So let's go. So the company name is Beauty Fashion Makeup. Okay. So my second gift is this makeup kit. Let me put out the tape on first. So this is my Barbie Beauty makeup. It is in heel style. So first I am going to finish this plastic sheet over there, that is for safety. And as you can see closely, this is looking so pretty. Wow, it is in heel shape. Under this heel is a mirror. Okay, now let me tell you, it is a under this heel it is a mirror. First we have this eyeshadows. Okay, let me show you the quality. And the quality also so good, as you can see in the camera, and as you can see on the screen, it is looking so pretty. And it is for it is for chicks. And now it is, I have this a lot of lip gloss and lipsticks and nail polish. Let me show you. First I have this red color bright lipstick. Wow, now let's try it. Time to try. Wow, the texture was so smooth and good. Let me try the other thing, that is this that is this lip shape gloss, and that is so unique. Let me open it and let me show you the texture. Okay, wow, it is so glittery on. If I ever put it on my lips, it looks so beautiful. Okay, so next what we have this nail polish, Fashion Girl yellow nail polish. Do you like yellow nail polish on your nail? Comment down. And don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel. Like the video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon to get all the post notifications. So now I am opening it, and okay, and I'm applying it to my nail, and it is looking so good and so pretty. Let me put it on completely, then you will see the final result. Okay, so it is Fashion Girl completed nail polish. I have put it on my nail and it is done. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.